Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Let's take next example. Now vehicle moving with a constant acceleration. It is observed that at an instant t naught, the vehicle is having the velocity 10 meters per second. Of course, what is the condition? With a constant acceleration. Now, 3 seconds later, the velocity of the vehicle is observed as 16 meters per second. Now, at an instant t naught, velocity is 10 meters per second. After 3 seconds, its velocity is 16 meters per second. They are asking us 2 seconds before the incident. What is that incident? T naught. What is its velocity? This is the question. Now, the key point here is acceleration is constant. Then how do you write? What is the formula for acceleration? A is equivalent to v minus u by t, right? Now, what for the first part, what is this formula when you apply? Final velocity 10 minus initial velocity u upon, it's a 2, it's not 0. What is initial velocity? Question mark. And this must be equivalent to, for this second part, what is this formula when you apply? 16 minus 10 upon 3, okay? So when you cross multiply, what happened here? It's a 30 minus 3u is equivalent to, how much is that 16 minus 10? It's a 6. So 6 into 2, 12. When you bring this 12, so 30 minus 12 is equivalent to 3u and 18 is equivalent to 3u and u is equivalent to 6 meters per second. Hope it's clear, right? And the next example, now there are the two objects A and B. A is started at t equivalent to 0 with an acceleration. It starts from rest and it is moving with an acceleration a1, and after 2 seconds, once A started at t equivalent to 0, after 2 seconds B started from the same point with initial velocity 0, this is also, but with this having acceleration a2. Now find, the one more information is given as the fifth second displacements are equal. So fifth second for A, the displacements are equal. What does it mean? Particularly 50 second for A, the displacements are equal for both A and B. That is a condition, and they are asking find ratio of their accelerations. Look at here. It starts from rest. B also starts from rest at the same point. But A started early and B started late. And how much delay in starting B is nothing but 2 seconds delay. Now, observe here. First second of A, B is at rest only. Second second of A, B is at rest only. Now, third second of A is going to become first second for B. Because after 2 seconds, B started moving. So, third second of A, first second of B. Fourth second of A, second second of B. Fifth second of A, third second of B. And the fifth second of A displacements, displacement for the fifth second, they are saying for A, they are equal, means fifth second for A displacement is equivalent to third second for B displacement. Hope it's clear. So of course initial velocities are 0. Then what is the formula? Nth formula, u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. So this is anyway 0, initial velocity 0. So when you write this for both cases, what happened? It's a1 by 2 into 2 into 5 minus 1 is equivalent to a2 by 2 into 2 into 3 minus 1. Because fifth second for A is a third second for B. That is the logic. So 2 gets cancelled. So a1 into 10 minus 1, 9 is equivalent to a2 into 6 minus 1, 5. Then they are asking the ratios, right? So what is the ratio? A1 is to A2. A1 by A2 is nothing but 5 is to 9. A1 by A2 is nothing but 5 is to 9. Thank you.